Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anthony. I'm one of the content creators here at the Kreativ community, and I got this package today from a friend who just texted me and was like, hey, I'm sending you something, what's your address? And so we just got this package. We're about to open it right in front of you. Okay, so shout out to my guy, Evan Herman, one of my good friends. Dude to show me what it is to be a good friend. He is a great friend. All right, I'm about to open this. I don't know what it is. He just told me that it got delivered today, so I'm about to open it. Told me he ordered it off Amazon, and so it can literally be anything. First thing, King Top offering the best. Okay, so it's audio cables. Okay, cool. And then this is what the package is. Don't know what it is still. Many microphone directions. On the package. Let's see. This package is making me look very weak. Don't judge me. Oh, sick. So there's 3 of these. 3 brown leather bags. I think it's a microphone of some kind. Ah, sick. You got me some more microphones so I can do more videos for you guys. Thanks, bro. That means a lot. There's one right there. Let's see what the next one is. Another bag. Okay, yeah, it's another microphone. Appreciate that, bro. 3 microphones, awesome. Third one. Yeah, you got me 3 microphones. Man, shout out to you. Shout out to my guy, Evan Herman. He does real estate. So if you're in Oklahoma and you're looking for a realtor, Evan Herman, he's your guy. Thank you, Evan. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for sending this to me. I always need good microphones so you can actually hear what I'm saying. Shout out to you. Appreciate you, man. Love you. And thank you for you guys watching.